I'm going to try to bring it back to life using one very simple tool. Don't throw away this broken LED bulb just yet. At first glance, it may look completely dead. You flip the switch, nothing happens. And most people would toss it straight into the trash. But the truth is, sometimes the entire bulb isn't actually broken. Just one tiny LED inside can burn out and cause the whole bulb to stop working. How do I check the bulb? First, I remove the plastic diffuser cover so I can look inside at the LED board. Why does an LED bulb stop working? Inside an LED bulb, there isn't just one single light source. There are many small LED chips connected together in a series circuit. When all of the LED chips are still good, electricity flows through them normally, and the bulb lights up. But if just one LED chip burns out, breaks the circuit, or has a damaged contact point, the electricity can no longer pass through. How I fix it. After finding the damaged LED chip, I remove or disconnect the faulty part from the circuit. At that damaged spot, the circuit is now open. So I need to create a new path for the electricity to continue flowing through the remaining LEDs. And this is where the small nail comes in. I cut a small piece of metal from the nail and place it exactly where the damaged LED chip was, connecting the two contact points together. It works like a temporary bridge, allowing electricity to continue through the circuit. After securing the connection, I carefully check the repaired area to make sure it is not touching any other points on the board. The moment of truth, this is the most exciting part. A light bulb that looked like it was ready to be thrown away. All because of one tiny failed component inside. I put the cover back on, place the bulb into the socket, and turn on the switch. And surprisingly, the bulb lights up again. No need to buy a new bulb right away. No need to throw away something that can still be used. All it takes is understanding the problem, checking carefully, and fixing the right spot. One small nail, one LED bulb that seemed completely dead, and one simple lesson. Before you throw something away, take a moment to see if it can still be saved.